guys, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. On this channel, my content is going to be based more on baking videos, tutorials. Basically, I'm going to be making baking easy for you to try at home. I know it's been tough out there and crazy with self-quarantine. We've been self-quarantining for like months now, days. I lost count. But what I do to keep myself sane and to escape from the news and the horrible things happening right now, I bake just to keep myself busy. So for today's video, we're going to be making macadamia nut cookie. This cookie is going to be soft, chewy, and delicious. So join me to make macadamia nut cookie. Of course, to make your macadamia nut cookies, you need ingredients. And the ingredients we're going to use are flour, sugar, your brown sugar, butter, egg, baking soda, baking powder, vanilla extract, salt. Of course, you need your macadamia nuts over here. We have our white chocolate cookies, mixer. I use a mixer, but you don't have to use a mixer. And of course, when you're baking, you need your baking bowl. First step, we need our butter. Here, I used a whole butter and a half. Put this in. Grab your half butter. Add your sugar, brown sugar, and we're gonna mix this baby up. It's mixed up, we're gonna add 1 egg. Then you're gonna get your vanilla extract. Normally you need like 1 teaspoon. I eyeball mine, but you could just take 1 teaspoon and measure this. After this, you're gonna mix this up. Sure, while you're baking, you scrape your bowl so that you make sure everything is all mixed in. And here I've added my egg and my vanilla extract. Next, you get your flour. You put here, we've mixed in our flour, baking powder. You get your baking powder, baking soda, and salt. The baking soda helps make this cookie chewy. I'm gonna put down all the measurements down in the description box. I don't really need a mixer here. I just mix it all in until the flour, you can't see the flour no more. So it's time to add our macadamia nuts. As you can see, our flour has mixed in with the butter. So I chopped those macadamia nuts because they're too big and I want it to be chewable, I guess. Then we get our white chocolate chips and put this all in and you mix. Look at this delicious dough. Now we're gonna pop this in the fridge for like 15 minutes before we put it into the oven. Batter is out of the fridge after 15 minutes. I preheat my oven at this point to 375 degree Fahrenheit. While it's preheating, I'm gonna scoop out my batter. 1 tablespoon here to scoop out my dough so that it will have the same precise measurement. I put this in here. Just like this. Oh wow, this can be stressful, especially you don't have like the scoop, because I know some bakers use like the ice cream scoop thing, but I don't have that, so just gotta use what we have. Now that we've done that, we scooped out our batter, we can just put it in the oven like this. We're gonna grab it. Make sure you have clean hands, people. Wash your hands. So you grab the batter, fold it, and just make it into a ball, just like this. So we're just rolling it into balls like this. Make sure you give space between your cookies because this kind of spread and you don't want them to all stick together. It won't be cute. So just give them a good amount of space, just like this. This is very easy to like roll. You just grab it and just roll into it. Now that that's done, we rolled them into balls. We're gonna pop this into the oven at 350 degrees for 7 minutes. Our cookies are out of the oven after 7 minutes. Look at how golden brown it looks, and it smells delicious in this kitchen right now. We have to let it cool for additional 15 minutes before we can eat these cookies, but just take a look at how good it looks. It looks so good. Cookies are finally done after 15 minutes. Just take a look at how chewy and soft this looks. I already took a bite of this cookie before, and it tastes delicious, and the room smells delicious as well. If you did like this quick tutorial and you want more recipe videos, I would like to subscribe, like, and comment. I'm new to YouTube right here, so I would like more feedback. I'm gonna be posting more videos weekly, and I would like you to subscribe. Don't forget, like, and thanks for watching.